What's up everybody, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between the dry bald head look and the shiny bald head look. So let's get to it. Now, whether you're naturally shiny or naturally have the drier matted look, you may want to try and rock the other one. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to move from one side to the other. So what's up everybody, I'm Mike. This is Bald and Strong, where being bald is a lifestyle and I want to help you make the most of it. So ultimately, the drier look or the shinier look or the moisturizer look, whatever we want to call it, it ultimately comes down to personal preference. There's no right answer or wrong answer, just preference. Let's start with the shiny look. Now, if you don't have this look naturally, you can achieve it with a good moisturizing and exfoliating routine. Word of caution, avoid cheap soaps. Essentially, steer clear of any soap that has sodium toluate or cocoate in it. There are many other ingredients to avoid, like these. Extra tip on achieving this shiny look, add in some essential oils, but do be careful, not all essential oils are created equal. If you guys would like me to do a video on essential oils, leave a comment and I'll do it. But what if you want the drier, matted look? Me personally, this is my preferred look, the drier look versus the shinier look, but I have to maintain it, sort of. My scalp can get a little oily at times, so often when I'm getting a little too over oily, I will use soap lathers to shave my head with. And again, I still don't use cheap soaps. If you guys want to know what some of the soaps I use, check out some of my other videos on reviews, unboxing. I use those types of soaps. I'll have them linked down in the description for you. Or you can look for a lot of high quality ingredients and high quality products. Some of those are, ultimately, if you were not lucky enough to be born naturally with the type of head that you want, whether it be a shinier look or a drier look, it's going to take a little bit of work, it's going to take a little bit of maintenance. But ultimately, once you get going down that path, you're going to find the rhythm, you're going to find the schedule that works best for you, and then follow it. You'll realize it's not that hard, it's just routine. Guys, if you enjoyed my little quick video today on how to maintain or achieve your dry or shiny scalp look, please leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my future content. Thanks so much, and until the next time.